Good morning. Starting off our day today on a quiet note. So quiet, in fact, that we've got a little bit of fog affecting us this morning. You can see just some of that misty kind of conditions on our view on our Storm Team Skycam network here in Fargo. Some low-level moisture, and this might get worse before it gets better. We still have a couple of hours of cooling yet before that sun comes up and starts to warm things up. So be prepared for the potential for fog here as you are hitting the roads this morning. Temperatures, once again, we have a range. We're looking at 12 degrees in Howlock. That's our lowest number on the map. To 30 degrees in Gwinner, Jamestown, and Sisseton. So a lot milder to the west. Fargo's at 23. It's 22 in Grand Forks, and over to the east, that's where we're more likely to encounter temperatures into the teens. Our visibility looks good so far, but there are places where we're starting to see some lowering. Fargo's one of those spots. Looks like we're seeing some issues with visibility down into Traverse County as well. And as we check out our wind, not much of it, especially in the east. We're looking at wind speeds that are calm, or air that is calm. And then out to the west, we're starting to see things pick up. So we're looking at winds out of the south and into the teens. That's why we're a little warmer there. We've got that warmer air moving in, and the atmosphere itself is just moving around. So it's keeping it from settling down and cooling down as well, and allowing that fog to form. So here's a look at your radar right now in satellite map 2. We don't really have much to show you as far as rain or snow are concerned. There are some clouds rolling their way through the valley here this morning, and will continue to do so today. It's going to be more of a cloudy day here on your Tuesday. So here's a look at your forecast. Temperatures into the mid to upper 20s around the 9 a.m. hour. As you head into the noon hour, we'll warm up into some low to some upper 30s at that point in time. The wind's going to be rather brisk. We're going to see winds getting going into the teens at that point, winds gusting to near 20, and eventually this afternoon we'll get some gusts into the 20s. So a breezy one here today. That will usher in warmer air though. So we're looking at 40s returning along the Red River and east from there especially. And again, mostly cloudy skies. In the east we might end up with a little bit more sunshine, but for the most part it does look like a mostly cloudy day in the valley. Heading into this evening, temperatures are going to be into the 30s, above freezing at the 7 o'clock hour. Will stay above freezing in most areas around 10 o'clock. And so this just gives us more opportunity at melting, at whittling away at the snowpack. And even by 7 a.m. tomorrow, you can see Southern Valley over to the east, we're still above freezing at that point in time. So this might accelerate things briefly here in the planner. And then heading into the day tomorrow, we're still looking warm with that southerly wind, with mostly cloudy skies to start off the day. This is 9 a.m. Heading into the afternoon, temperatures rising. And in fact, over in the east, we could see our temperatures hit that big 50 here at Bemidji, 50-degree mark in the east, and then along the Red River, more into the mid-40s, and same thing out toward the west as well. We'll end up with some sunshine in the afternoon hours, and then in the evening, don't be surprised if you see a couple of sprinkles underneath some clouds moving in, or even a flurry or two as we head into the later hours for tomorrow night. So a couple of days here where once we get above freezing, we stay there for some time into tomorrow morning. Here's a look at your photo today, a snow sculpture. This was sent to us by Keith from the Rose Creek area. We've seen a lot of different snow formations this season, and checking out your 7-day planner, just looking ideal. I mean, it's amazing that we've been able to accomplish this here over the last couple of weeks. Last week and this week, we've been enjoying ideal melting conditions, dry weather, and temperatures that are into the 30s and 40s for highs. So warming up during the day and then cooling things down and slowing things down at night. So this has been perfect.
Very nice. We've been lucky.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lisa.
And speaking of